So many people are beginning to ask, when are we going to drop off that next zero? When is Shib going to break the prior all-time high and head to 301? And that's, to be honest, a very fair question. That's a very fair question. When are we expected to see that? Well, people have mixed ideas. Some people think it's never going to happen. To be fair, those same people thought that we were never going to break 401 ever again. And yet here we are in a very good spot. Actually, Shiba Inu at the time of filming this currently sits at about 4028. Again, hopefully we can continue to extend to the upside. Now, what senior market researcher Alexander Kupcevic, hopefully I said that right, Kupcevic, yeah, anyways, of trading platform FX Pro believes Shib can ride the future crypto waves to reach as high as 301 by the end of 2024. Now, people have mixed opinions again, right? Me personally, I think that now our formation that we saw back here in 2021 is kind of invalidated. We didn't get quite a dramatic drop. Now, granted, this is it's actually a huge bull flag is what it is, guys. It's a massive, massive bull flag that's playing out. It's been playing out for 2 weeks now. And the longer that these bull flags actually play out, the more explosive some of these moves can become. But I'm trying to stay reserved. I understand that we're still early bull market cycle. We're still before retail gets back. You know, historically speaking, if this was a normal market cycle, we wouldn't see a move past the prior all-time high until typically either late 2024 or early 2025. For altcoins, that's typically when it happens. Now, I will say this, Shib is very different in this regard. It's had some of the best fundamentals in the bear market cycle. Don't be deceived by what happened in 2023, these low prices, right? Setting new lows, because there are things that happened to get us there. So I was actually having a conversation with a Patreon member of mine. If you guys are curious, my Patreon link is in the description below. You know, we talk about all sorts of different stuff. I let people know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, you know, things I'm watching. You get direct access to me. We can chat, video chat, whatever. But we were talking about the fundamentals for Shib, and actually Shib in 2022, during the first year of the bear market, had some of the best fundamentals building into 2023. You guys can take a look here on the charts, and you can see that when it set its low in June of 2022, it did not go on to set a further low in December of 2022. All right. It was one of very few coins that was able to do that. Even Bitcoin went on to set a new low in December of 2022. That's when it hit its bottom. Now, what happened then is Shib subsequently exploded to begin 2023. You can see it did a 2x from where it was at. It was looking great. And really, it had this unnatural push to the downside. We had Voyager begin liquidating like $60 million worth of Shib, removing a bunch of liquidity, pushing us down, right? Getting us into some of these lower levels. And then what did we get hit with? A bunch of negativity. We got hit with SEC FUD, not for Shib directly, but it affected the market. Then we had the institutional market sell-off, and we dropped down and set a new cycle low. That's what pushed us down here. Then we were in some of these unnatural levels when it came to Shib, and we just had to basically escape that. That's why people had this negative outlook on Shib. That's why people, you know, some people left, right? Many people stayed for the long haul. And I said that that was probably the smart thing to do. And the people that did stick around and DCA'd and bought, for example, in this fire sale range where I bought heavily, you did well. All right. Shib has had great fundamentals for a very long time, but they tend to get overlooked. So that's where, you know, this projection of late 2024 may even be a bit conservative. Now, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to get people's hopes up or anything like that, but Shib, remember, is in some of these thinner levels of liquidity. And when we get into price discovery, you know, people still wanting to search for 1 cent, there's a big gap, right? Shib is going to get extremely wild, extremely volatile, and start moving all over the place. While now, based on what I'm seeing in the charts, I don't know if we drop off that zero before the halving. I think at some point in 2024 here, I think it's likely that it does happen. Now, again, this is not financial advice. This is no guarantees. And some people think it'll never happen. Everybody's got their own projection. Projections are like buttholes. Everybody's got one, but we'll see how things look moving forward. The fundamentals for Shib remain strong. The community remains strong. There's still building going on. There's new things happening all the time for Shib. And that should get you excited about what is going to be coming when retail truly does come back and hit the space. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know when you think Shib is going to drop off that next zero, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.